Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Esta es la continuación del video 8.3. This is the continuing video for 8.3. Okay, so we've been talking about comparisons, right? We're talking about irregular comparisons and quality comparisons. So when we do this, and we're gonna use, like we talked, adjectives and adverbs. I want you to look at this table here, where we have adjectives and adverbs and how they work. So we have what we know, bueno, buena, and in this case we also have bien, malo o mala, and mal. Remember, these are our short versions that we use when we place them before the noun. We have grande, which is big, pequeño, small, joven, young, viejo, old, or vieja. Okay, so here's what happens. When we use these adjectives to compare something, they are going to have an irregular form. Just like verbs, they have the irregular conjugations, where these adjectives have the irregular form. And what happens is that as long as we're saying that something is better, like greater inequality, or lesser inequality, or equal inequality than something else or someone else, we're going to use these comparative forms. If you're just saying that something is good, the restaurant is good, el restaurante es bueno. But if we're saying that the restaurant is better than this other restaurant, we're going to say this. El restaurante japonés es mejor que el italiano. Okay, so let's look at what happens here. What you would have regularly done is you would have said el restaurante, right? Japonés es más mejor que el italiano. ¿Cierto? Here's what happens. In Spanish, it's incorrect to say más mejor or más bueno. That's what I'm trying to say. Más bueno. We don't say más bueno o más buena o más bien or más mejor. We're gonna always say es mejor when we're trying to say that it's greater. The quality, the something is better than. We're gonna say mejor. So this last sentence will be incorrect just because we don't say más bueno, más bien, or más mejor. We always gonna say mejor when we compare. If we're going for the opposite, it's worse. We can say el restaurante japonés es menos bueno que el italiano. Perdón, es menos malo que el italiano. We don't use this form. Like I said, this sentence will be incorrect because we don't use menos malo. We're gonna say es peor. It's worse. Okay? Let's look at the other adjectives. We have grande and pequeño. Grande and pequeño, when we refer about age, we're gonna use mayor and menor. Mi hermano es mayor que tu hermana. My brother is older than your sister. We don't say it's más grande. Because if we use es más grande que tu hermana, we're going to infer size. So this is the only thing here. Only if we want to specify in size, we're gonna stay with grande and pequeño. If we're gonna be talking about age, it's always gonna be mayor and menor. But if we're gonna, so let's say that my book is bigger than yours, so we're talking about size. Mi libro es más grande que el tuyo. This is only possible just because we're talking about size. When we use these adjectives to mean age, is gonna be mayor and menor. Okay? Ok, chicos. Si tienen preguntas, por favor, escriban en el tablero de discusión. So, discussion board, you know what the drill is. Si tienen otras páginas a las que han mirado para ayudarse, por favor pónganlas en el tablero de discusión. So if you have found other web pages that you use that have helped you, post this also in this discussion board to help your classmates. Ok, chicos, espero que tengan un feliz día. Chao.